marapisi nondo dhi nyime telo manyien okaw owete gi nyime negi mantiere mo university o graduate osom otieko wuok oko bio olos tije kata yawo kembe mane wacho ka paro
ing'eyo one okang'e mo university is defined on what faculty kata progression mane because if you come to Nairobi University is an engineering school Kidhi Kenyatta University is a teaching school Kidhi Jomo Kenyatta is an engineering school Kidhi Egerton and agriculture and that one should define who becomes the vice chancellor Iwinja Cleophas there's nothing muweyoji nisijune joma yo marokak nkech university adalagi they just want to bring somebody and professor in what and is it in line with the foundation of the university that should be the calling card number 2 investigation nugu 2 sections nitie a preliminary report muyieni an expert qualified kaka jo DPP which they can write and make a stand on it mano kendo romogoli woko what we need is efficiency kakitim investigation in Kenya ka gimwadwaro ni DPP ong'eno power en go kaka ng'amodhi school or direct DCI to areas mantie potholes to loso to wacho ni kaka DPP I'm convinced ni kata teri mani court you will not escape a jail term and for that reason this is enough to advise God the minister my education then now I want this person to be out of his office not stepping aside out of office I mean the out of office you are demanding nothing from us go and make your case koponi ukoroka nyinyalo kane jomo kemogaji go and make your case to onge pon ke dwadwa chulio sara kati ni mikwelo those are the progression monego losi wachmar criminal law Cleophas let us allow experts to reason I agree with the students to do what they are doing but let them channel it in a more proper way way and it's good ukilnaka is an old boy why don't they bring it to gikal process nurukap KDPV mamelo regitum private prosecution they can go and reason in court they'll be given powers ingeno nge kama no songe ne sirkal nyalo gabedo rogue anytime emomi no mi waga those windows so my view and first of all Ministry of Education or define no more university purpose nenango in the country. Then from there they will define who becomes the vice chancellor.
Definition gete moka school dhimbele koso chenro chung. Sani penjo nego bedni chakre wana dwe mara paga tiegru.
Gashagwa njogol ka gidaladi. Very few days. So the university manjithindo so wachno dokni. Even 1 week by Friday they should have done that. Yes. Magi life magi joma kiny. And I'm telling you, you see like okay, Kano Oki Moi, he didn't go to look for employment. He was trained to cause employment. That is the reason mommy waberu degree. Degree okongi ndiejo nike graduate mang'eny. Makwado to wadhi dwaro tich ng'amadhi chulo sara onge. Nitie jok moko manyaka geri institutions ma ji tiye.
Erokamano to Nduku.
Gimwanyalo demand en pesa. Mondo sirkal obed ni miwaga loan moko mwanyalo chulo mos.
Regina Kizito. Kidamedo twak ma basebedo